Hey everyone, how you doing? Well, I'm here to bring you my Dollar Tree haul, and this haul, well, it's kind of a mixed bag actually, and I have everything in segments there, so I'll show you as I go. First, I went in because I was looking for 4th of July things to do DIYs with, and for decorating because I am going to be having my home tour collaboration for the 4th. So I'll start here, I guess. So I got this, and it's nighttime, and I'm in my own light. So I'm going to try to maneuver this camera, so forgive me. I thought this was so pretty. Look at this eagle. Isn't that pretty? So I got that. Not sure yet how I'm going to display that. And then I got some patriotic flags, which I'll put into my decor. They also had these LED. See how I gotta move out of my line. These LED stars, and that says it's got 240 total hours. I don't know about that, we'll see. And then here, look how pretty these are. I'm gonna do a DIY with these. They're like little candy dishes or votives. You could do anything you want with them actually. And I had another one, oh here it is, and a blue. So red, white, and blue. And then I got a pair of flip-flops. And then when I go in there, I usually will, not every time, but a few, get these LED because these last just as long. I've told you before, these LEDs last as long as Hobby Lobby's, and these are only $1 opposed to $6, $7. And then I always buy a few packs of the Sunbeam batteries. These last as long as ever ready, and they're $1. And then I got some red carnations. They didn't have any blue or white, so I got a couple bunches of those. And then let me bring this over here. And then I got this star candy dish, but I'm going to do a DIY with that. And then over here, I always get a few of the candlesticks because I use these a lot in my home decor. And you've seen in the past, if you've watched some of my videos, how I use these for cake stands, cupcake stands, you know, just different things. And then I got this, and this is going to be a part of a DIY. Then they had this candle, and I opened it, and I'm telling you, this smells exactly like chocolate. Exactly like chocolate. I couldn't believe it. So I got that. I'm also going to be starting a planner, and this is going to be all new to me, but Magnolia Housewife, I've been watching her, and I love the way she does her planners, and it's so relaxing to watch her do these. So much that I'm going to start doing a planner myself. So I got some jumbo paper clips to do some things, and then some of these little stamps I thought were cute. Not stamps, but stickers. And then I got a couple washi tapes. Then over here, these are the little copper wire LED lights, and I decorate a lot with these as well. And then over here, they have paper mache boxes now, guys. They're small, they're not real big, but they have heart-shaped, round, square. You already know what I'm going to be doing with this, don't you? That's right, making a cake. And here's my spackle, the lightweight. And this was $1, so I got a couple of them. And this plate that I'll use for a DIY as well. And then you saw that my kitchen has chickens, so I saw this towel and pot holders. The towel I won't use, I'll just put it on my oven for decoration. So I just wanted to show you this Dollar Tree haul that I did, and like I said, a lot of it is having to do with the 4th. My decor and some DIYs. So I just wanted to bring you along and show you what I got, and until the next DIY, or home tour or cooking, whatever I'm going to be up to. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys.